So one of the services offered here at Toyota of Dartmouth every time your vehicle comes into service is our multi-point inspection. The reason for the multi-point inspection is to look over the vehicle so you have a better understanding of the condition of your car. Whether you're coming in for something small like an oil change or a tire rotation or a larger service, you can be assured that your car is going to be looked over from top to bottom. On that multi-point inspection, there'll be over 30 areas of your vehicle that we are going to be looking at, including the brakes, the tires, the light bulbs, fluids, exhaust, your general maintenance. Make sure everything on your vehicle is up to tip-top shape. So we are very thorough. Our certified technicians are trained in this phase every single day, meticulously to look over the car and go over the complete checklist. Rest assured, when your car comes in, you're going to know the complete condition of your vehicle. So when reviewing your multi-point inspection, you'll see that there's 3 categories: a green box, a yellow box, and a red box. Green box indicating everything on the vehicle is looking in excellent condition. No further action is required. When you have a check mark in the yellow box, just a reminder for you, something pending that may need to be addressed in the future. Your brakes may be wearing down a little bit and need to be addressed at your next service, but we want to give you a heads up, letting you know next time you come in, that may be something you want to service. The red box is something that needs to be addressed immediately. That is something us advisors would want to make you aware of. That does need attention. It does need to be repaired.